Sometimes we see our teeth going yellowish, not because we are dirty, not because we don't brush, but because we eat. Yes, because we eat, we put things in our mouths, because we are adults, because we have adult teeth. It's only children below 4 to 5 years that you will see with very pure white teeth, because they still have their milk teeth intact. So for us adults, our teeth tends to go yellow often or most times, not because we are not neat. Of course, we brush every day, sometimes 2 times in a day, but then life is nature, and there's no need to feel much bad about it. The only thing you can do is to find a solution in which you can use to whiten it back, or to make it to look presentable whenever you smile. Okay, so in this particular video I'll be showing you how to whiten a yellow teeth, and with that you can also take out some tartar. You know, tartar tends to form when you have a lot of accumulated sugar, when you have a lot of dirt in between your tooth gaps. So guys, let's get into the video. Okay, I have a bowl which I'll be using to mix everything, and I'll be taking baking soda. So you are just going to make the quantity that will be enough for you at the moment. So you are not going to make over. Don't overtake it. I'm taking this quantity of baking soda into my bowl, and I have lemon here too. Don't mind my lemon. Oh. This one is a native lemon, is organic. Now I'm going to add some drops of lemon into the baking soda. I don't need that much because I don't really, so you can hear it fizzle already. Yeah, this is it fizzling. So the next thing I'll be adding is toothpaste. I'll just go ahead and add the quantity that I would have used to brush. So and mix together. Mix it very well. See what I have here. This is just the perfect consistency I needed, not too thick and not watery. So the next thing I will be using is foil paper. This is it, guys. So you just cut out some foil paper. I'll be showing you how I'm going to use this. I actually thought I was recording. I didn't know that it wasn't. So I have cut the foil paper into 2 parts, and I folded this. So I'll go ahead and add some of this into the foil paper like so. And I will keep it aside and also fold the other. And also add the thing inside it. And yeah, I have the 2 here. So yeah, I have my 2 foil paper here with the stuff inside, the mixture inside, and I will go ahead to put this in my teeth. So I will go ahead to put this remaining one on my teeth. What will I use now? I just put some of it in my teeth. I'll go ahead and we're going to go for like 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to use it from brush. Make sure you brush the end half. I feel so fresh. Look at it. Immediately after brushing with this, immediately after taking this off, just brush your teeth with your toothbrush and make sure that you gently scrub every part of your mouth, every part of your teeth, and including your tongue. And don't forget the inner sides. Trust me, immediately after using this remedy, you are going to experience a very cool and white set of teeth, and you are going to love it. You are going to love the feeling. It is so amazing. It feels so good. It feels so fresh. Trust me, when you try this on your teeth, you are going to see an amazing result. That yellow tooth will instantly turn to white teeth, and you're going to love it. You're going to love everything about this home remedy. Trust me when I say that it works very effectively. And yeah, guys, thank you so much if you have watched to this extent, and don't forget to like this video, share it if you have learned something, and don't forget to also stay safe out there, and see you in my next video. Bye.